Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding the baseline magnitude and immediately locate the -3 dB threshold. This is the standard cutoff for bandwidth. Measure the open loop or low-frequency gain in dB, then draw the horizontal line at gain -3 dB. Once done, scan the magnitude plot and mark each frequency where the curve intersects that -3 dB line. Make sure to identify both lower and upper intersection points for band-limited systems, and note if only a single low-pass cutoff exists. Next, refine those marked intersections by using the plot's cursor or higher-resolution view. Read the frequency values precisely. If the data is sparse, perform linear or logarithmic interpolation between adjacent points to estimate the exact crossing. For bandpass systems, you will get 2 cutoffs. For low-pass, you get 1. Once you have frequencies, compute the bandwidth as upper minus lower cutoff or just the cutoff for single-sided systems. And double-check units are in hertz, so calculations remain consistent. Finally, calculate the bandwidth numerically. Subtract the lower cutoff from the upper cutoff for bandpass systems or report the cutoff for a simple low-pass. Also compare the bandwidth result with expected system specs and confirm using phase or gain margin checks if behavior seems off. If values look inconsistent, smooth noisy data, increase plot resolution, or remeasure the frequency sweep. One troubleshooting tip: if intersections are ambiguous, apply a small moving average to the magnitude trace before re-evaluating the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.